Hi everybody, I made some barbecue beef ribs in the oven. We're going to cook them low and slow. Let's do it. So first right here, you're going to need a spice rub. So I added some cayenne pepper. That is totally optional. It just depends on how spicy you want it. But I love sweet and spicy together. So along with my spices, I'm going to add some brown sugar. And then I'm going to mix everything together until all my seasonings are combined. And now I have a really good spice rub to put on my ribs. It's going to make them taste really good. So these are some big, beautiful ribs that I found at the market. There's about a little more than 5 pounds of ribs in this. So I laid them all out on a piece of parchment paper on top of my cutting board. That's the way I'm going to do it. And then I added some olive oil all over all my ribs. That's going to be a binder for all my spices. So then I just added all of my spices on top of my ribs. Make sure all the parts are covered completely. It's going to give a lot of flavor to these ribs. So now my ribs are ready. What I'm going to do is get a big cookie sheet. And then I'm going to get some aluminum foil and I'm going to tent my ribs. So I'm going to lay out all my ribs in the center of my aluminum foil. And I chose to get 2 pieces both ways. You want to seal this as best that you can. That way your ribs are going to steam because we're going to cook this for 3.5 hours on a real low heat in the oven. So now my ribs are wrapped really tightly and I'm going to put my cookie sheet in the oven. So now I'm going to show you my funny t-shirt. You can pause and zoom in to read it. It's funny. Okay, so right here it's 275-degree oven and we're going 3.5 hours. And now after 3.5 hours, I'm going to cut open all the aluminum foil and then I'm going to start adding some barbecue sauce. I love the Baby Ray's, but you can add any barbecue sauce that you want, or you can make your own. And I'm just going to brush it all over my ribs. So I should have told you earlier, when you remove your ribs, set your broiler, turn it on, and I'm going to put these under the broiler for about 3 to 5 minutes. Do not walk away. It's really easy to burn them if you're not watching them. Shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. But I had a beautiful char. It's like having them out in the barbecue when you broil them. You don't have to broil them, but I like the way it gives that char. But I've seen some people raise the heat to 400 and leave them in there for about 10 minutes. And that'll give them a little color. It'll crystallize the top of your sauce. So now I'm going to show you how nice and tender these ribs come out. I like to add a little parsley just to give it some color. But you can see how tender they come out and the flavor is super delicious. So these are my big beefy barbecue ribs. Thanks for watching.